Your chakras are centers in your body. When any of your chakras are out of balance or blocked, it creates an imbalance and a lack of free in your system that can lead to physical, emotional, and spiritual health issues. Namaste, pure divine souls. My name is Kevama Krishnaveni. In this video, I will teach you what are the ways to open up or balance your chakras. After watching this video, you can learn how to open your chakras properly. The purpose of this video is to enlighten you. Enlightenment means to be in knowledge of. It will give you knowledge to transform your life, remove fears that are blockages that keep you from knowing who you really are. A pure divine child of God and what your purpose in life. There are several ways to open chakras. Some are prescribed by traditional schools of thoughts associated with Eastern spirituality. Some are more modern and are often derived from these more ancient practices. They were created by people interested today in psychology, healing, and holistic medicine with the purpose of helping us in our everyday lives. I will expose mostly contemporary ideas and techniques that you can easily apply on your own. The first step to opening your chakras is to know them. These centers of energies have different qualities and characteristics that are useful to recognize in order to find a better balance overall. I was already uploaded video about what are the chakras, the 7 chakras in your body, their location, color, characteristics, qualities and symbol details in simple way. I will give the video link in description box. Please check it out. The second step is identifying which chakra is imbalanced or out of balance. The chakras are all connected. If one is imbalanced, whether it's overactive and it too open or closed, energy does not flow well through it. The remaining chakras and the whole system may be affected as well. That's why it might sometimes be difficult to pinpoint which chakra need the most help. Take the chakra test to find out which chakra is blocked or out of balanced. I will give the chakra testing video link in the description box. Please check it out. Okay, let's start to know what are the ways to activate or balance chakras. Meditation. Meditation is a powerful way to connect with your spirit and ask your higher self for guidance. It is an excellent method to stay in the present, release negative or trapped energy and unwanted blockages, to invite new and positive energy, and to balance your chakras. Specific guided meditation to activate your chakras are the best. I was already uploaded the guided meditation. I will give the video link in the description. Please check it out. Yoga is a great way to open up and balance your chakras. When yoga practiced, the chakras get balanced and make our system, both physical and emotional, function in stable, balanced manner. Practicing yoga daily can help open up the 7 chakras, which can have a very positive and bright effect on our body, mind, and soul. Affirmations. Positive affirmations are one of the most powerful tools you can have. Our thoughts create our reality, and affirmation can help us to get into a positive state of mind. When we are in a positive space, it helps generate a positive energy that can flow through the chakras, clearing any chakra blockages along the way. Positive affirmations align with the healing energy flow of the universe, making it easier for things to flow and manifest in your life. Crystals offer an easy and natural way to open your chakras, improve the natural flow of energy within you, and balance your mind, body, and soul. Reiki is one of the most effective way to balance your chakras. Reiki channels the life force energy through healer's hands onto his or her own body or another person's body, the recipient. By gently floating their hands above someone's body, the Reiki practitioner can identify where imbalance live and how to activate balance them so the chi or life force energy can start to flow through the recipient's body freely. Do you already practice any chakra balance techniques? Have you ever tried meditation or mindfulness living? Share your experience with us. We would love to hear your stories. In the next video, I will teach you what are the crystals to activate your 7 chakras. If you have any doubts about this video, let me ask in comment section. Thank you for watching.